Hello, I'm here to show you how you can share professional documentation on your digital portfolio using a tool called issuu.com. You can see it's the first link that comes up when I do a Google search. I'll select it. I'll click on Sign in the top right. And you can see I can log in using my Google account, which I will do. And in the top right, you can see I have the option to upload. And next, I'm prompted to select a file to get started. I'll click there. I'll select my doc, which I've already saved to my desktop. Select open, and you can see it's a very similar process to making an attachment on an email. Once the document has uploaded, you can see I can change the title as it appears here, maybe add a description. There are a few other options. I'm going to select Publish Now. You see, once I've done so, one of the options I have is to create an embed code. So I'll select that. And the publication will be converted for a few moments. And at this point in time in the process, you might want to click on the refresh button in your browser, maybe every 10 seconds. ISSU doesn't always auto-refresh for some reason at this point in time in this process. So just click on refresh if you're finding it's not coming up. I can click the play icon here if I want to look at a sample of what it's going to look like. And here, these are the dimensions. These width and height dimensions are essentially how it's going to appear on your blog before it's gone to full screen mode. So you might change that to make sure it fits with the column widths that you set on your digital portfolio. I can change my background color. And as I scroll down, you see there's a host of different options I can select from. I'm simply going to save and get my embed code. You can see here it is. I can click on Copy to Clipboard, and it automatically copies it to the clipboard. At this point in time, I can open a new tab on my browser. I can select the app waffle and more, and I can find my Google Blogger tool. I'll go into my digital portfolio. I'll select my pages. If at this point in time you haven't created a music page, you might want to do so. I already have, so I'm going to edit my existing music page. You see I already have a few things on the page. If I click on the Compose tab, you can see the view as your audience would see it when viewing your blog. When I click on the HTML tab, we see the code that got to the page. And this is where I want to paste the embed code that I had just copied to my clipboard previously. I'll press Control-V or right-click Paste to do so. Once I have put the embed code into the script, I will simply click on Update. And I can click on the View Blog button. And you can see that if I go to my music page, it has been updated with a newly embedded using issuu.com and Google Blogger to share documentation on your digital portfolio document. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was fairly straightforward for you, and I hope this helps spruce up your digital portfolio. Thanks for watching.